Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I need to put about u equals to tan s. Later that we do first the derivative for the both sides, and you got about the u equal to secant of s squared ds. First the derivative tan s, you got about this one. This one we change by u, and we have u to the power of 3. This one we change by the u. The integration of this one, we have u to the power of 4 over 4, and we put about c. About u, that's about tan s. This is the end. Thank you for watching.